Good afternoon, Isha, Purva, Rajiv.
Ma'am, one more thing. Yesterday I cut my hand due to accident and it got 4 stitches. So can I turn off my video due to heavy painkiller? I'm not okay today.
Okay. Take care, Pallav. Rajiv.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Gaurav.
one more thing is that I am down with fever also. Can I just for that day turn off my camera if possible?
Okay. Take care.
Okay, ma'am.
Nisha, Shivam, Saili, Dharmit, Pranali. Come on, camera. Saksham, Akhil, Harsh, Sudhanshu, Ujjwal. We will continue with our peer interviews, of course. Okay. Apurva, have you done your peer interview?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, Apurva and Saili, you are done, right? Harsh, you there, Harsh?
Ma'am, my interview is not done, ma'am.
Sushant? Okay. So Apurva and Sushant. Okay. Apurva, you will be the interviewee first. Okay. And then Sushant would be the interviewee. Okay. You all know how it works, right?
Yes.
And everybody come on camera who all can. Please don't go off camera and stay on camera. Okay. Saili, can you keep time?
Sure, ma'am.
15 minutes, yeah. Okay. So Apurva, my question to you is one weakness of yours that you turned into strength.
Ma'am, I am very protective when it comes to work. Like I want to gain control over a task given to me.
Mm-hmm.
So it is like a weakness as well as a strength of mine.
Have you been able to convert, make that weakness a strength of yours?
Sometimes, ma'am, being protective is not bad, but in corporate life, being protective and having gaining overall control is bad. So yeah, that is like my strength sometimes.
Okay. Okay. Sushant, your question.
Okay, Apurva. So my question to you is, are you experienced? Do you have any experience of corporate life or not?
No, I am a fresher.
Okay. So the question is, during your college days, while you were working in projects assignments with the other peers of yours, what was what was the time when you faced a lot of difficulties in coping up with your peers, and how did you overcome that?
Well, working with different peers, like work, they have different mindset. Every person has different mindset, so it is like very hard to control them sometimes. Like everyone has their perspectives of the work, and yeah, but having chatting with them and having a talk, meeting with them help to convey more messages and like make the task easier, I guess.
Okay. What is the biggest challenge of working in teams?
Ma'am, first is cooperation. Like, like I said, like every person has different mindset. So maybe in one topic I am right, the other person is wrong, and maybe I am wrong, the other person is right. But I don't feel that I am wrong. So the cooperation is like the biggest challenge in working a team.
Okay. But some people believe that conflict is good. So how do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. Conflict is good according to me because, like, if we get to know different ideas and through conflicts, like this could be another way. So conflict is good for me, I think.
Okay. Sally, how much time do we have?
6 seconds.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Fine. So, Apurva, now you are the interviewer. Sushant, you are the interviewee. Apurva, your question first, and then I'll ask.
Sushant, so my question is like, what is your greatest weakness, and how have you came up with the how have you sorted your greatest weakness?
Thank you, Purva, for that question. My greatest weakness, I'll say, is I'm quite a workaholic person. When it comes to work, I give priority to my work a lot. And this happened, and why this is a weakness is because of my personal life being hampered due to this. When I work, I actually do not I was not able to pay attention in my personal life, and this caused certain issues in my personal life. Hence, I treat this as a positive as well as a negative from my side. And how did I overcome that? I tried to concentrate on my work in the scheduled time that was given to me. I tried to finish my work properly at that particular time, and also give time to my personal people, my personal life as well. So this is how I overcome that.
Okay. Sushant, you mean to say that you say in future, if your work demands you to work overtime or work on some odd hours, you mean to say that that is not good and you won't like it?
No, ma'am, not really, ma'am. Working overtime is what I've actually done, and also I've done working in rotational shifts. So if my company demands that I should need to work overtime, I'll definitely give that priority to the company, because uh, this is what that I'm striving for. This is what I'm studying for, and I want to work for this company. Hence, I'll give my proper time to the company, as well as keeping my personal life also happy, so that I could maintain a balance between my company as well as my personal life.
Okay. Okay. Sushant, tell me which month you were born in.
I'm a March.
March. Tell me a few lines about March.
Few lines about March. Okay, so um, March is a month like, okay, as I said that I was born in March. Also, there is one more fun fact about March is that my mother was also born in March. And one more fun fact is that normally, typically, the Holi festival that we celebrate is in the month of March. And also, there is one more financial aspect to the month of March is that March is the financial ending of a company. So, in all aspects, a month of March is a very holy, as well as religious, as well as workaholic month. So that's about it.
Okay. Sally, are we done? Done, no? Okay. Good job, both of you, Apurva and Sushant. Audience, I want you to keep track of whatever questions were asked and how they responded. After 3 pairs of people, meaning 6 people, we will do a discussion. And I want audience to remember things. Huh? याद नहीं रहता है तो लिख के रखो. ठीक है? Okay. आदित्य, आपका हो गया इंटरव्यू?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rutuja?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So Rutuja, Prabhameet?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So Rutuja and Prabhameet, you are the next 2 candidates. Okay. So Prabhameet, you become the interviewee first. Rutuja will be the interviewer, and then vice versa. Okay. Prabhameet, tell me, what are the benefits of being an introvert?
Ma'am, benefits of being an introvert, what I feel is that you think before you speak and you know when to speak and when to stop. And also, ma'am, people perceive you as a good listener, which sometimes help you in communication and and you know that how extrovert is and how he would react, and you know when you could avoid certain situations perfectly without you can sniff or you can go out of any situation easily. And also, yes ma'am, this I feel are the benefits.
And disadvantage?
Ma'am, disadvantage that you sometimes don't get recognized because you don't and sometimes people also take you granted because you don't show your feelings much. Yes ma'am.
Okay, Rutuja, over to you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. My question to you is, what's your management style?
Management style, what I feel is I sometimes feel that I am a dictator, but sometimes I also feel that I am an influencer. I'm not sure about on that because I haven't any experience yet in management.
And the second question is, how do you deal with pressure or stressful situation?
I don't panic. I used to panic earlier, but now I have learned that if we get panic, it's not in a we can't do anything right. So what I feel is I take the situation very calmly and think accordingly and then work on it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Prabhamit, so you are a fresher, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you worked anywhere else? No, right? So tell me, what advantage does a fresher bring to the table compared to an experienced person?
Ma'am, what advantage of fresher bring is that as he's a new to the company or the organization, he's very much charged up and he's very enthusiastic to learn, which sometimes an experienced guy might lack because he used to certain things, and for fresher everything is new, so he starts exploring and he can grasp things very quickly.
Okay. Fine. Siley, I think time is up.
On 20 seconds more.
Okay, fair enough. Fine. We can do the role reversal now. So, Prabhamit, your question first to Rutuja.
Okay, so Rutuja, tell me a situation where you feel stuck and how did you get out of that situation?
Like an example.
Yeah.
Yeah. For example, um, there are I'm working in for example, I'm an HR executive, and because there is some problem in an organization, we managers have to deal with, like, there is some tax issues, so we have to sit and get that work done because for example, there is a COVID situation, so there are people working online but the work is not completed on that particular date, so we have to sit back, everyone have to sit back, and it is expected from everyone to complete that task. So this might be a situation, so and you need an answer for that, right?
Yeah.
Can you give a real example, like not an hypothetical, but real example? You demonstrated this.
Yeah, so I have to continue with this example only. Okay, so I will really it will be a great task for me because I'm an HR executive, but I'll show some patience and I'll wait back and do whatever it is possible from my end, because it is a question of the organization and not only about a particular department or so.
What was the question asked, Rutuja?
It was about the stressful situation you have to deal with.
Prabhamit, what was the question? Can you repeat?
Yeah, any situation where did you feel stuck and how you get out of that? It was...
So you any situation where you felt stuck. So it's a real example that happened till now, Rutuja, not a hypothetical one.
Okay, ma'am.
हो चुका है जहां आपने मैनेज किया है स्ट्रेस.
हाँ.
Not as such, ma'am. Not as such.
Okay, so my second question is that any weakness of your which you are working on it or which you have improved?
There is one weakness of mine that I'm blindfold over any thought. Like people come and tell me, yeah, this all things happened, and I believe them so easily. So I'm working on it still.
Okay.
What does the name mean, Rutuja?
Ma'am, Rituja, it is basically the name of the season we have. Yeah.
Okay, which is your favorite season, Rutuja?
Ma'am, winter season.
Why?
Ma'am, because I'll like to start with summer season, because summer season there is because of the
And so
what- yeah, because of the summer vibes we get, it is so irritating that that season is for me, that season what it is very irritating. And in rainy season, I don't like to move out of my house, so winter is usually a cozy climate for me.
Okay, fair enough. Time is up. Sally already told us.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you both of you. One more pair I need before we discuss.
Ma'am, I'm left with the interview.
Bhairavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Bhairavi and-
ma'am, I'm also left with interview.
Okay, so both of you, Bhairavi and Dhanashri, okay? Okay, so Bhairavi, you will be the interviewee first.
Okay.
Okay. So tell me, what is your graduation subject, Bhairavi?
Uh, okay, good afternoon, ma'am. I have done my graduation in Bachelor's of Accounting and Finance from Thakur College.
Okay, so why did you choose MBA after that?
Because during my since my school time, I have been in ICSE board, and till ninth stand after ninth, I got accounts as a subject in my life, and accounts was very much interesting at that moment for me to learn everything, and that was the only subject which was my strength during that time. So after doing my 12th, my brother and me had a discussion over it, and he said that if you want to do a professional degree, go for BAF, because that's about accounting and finance. Your accounting is any which ways strong. After that, you learn more subjects like taxation and everything, so you'll get an interest about it. So it is preferable that you should do BAF. And BAF was basically at that time was also comparative, like it is the CA version, but the lower version of that. But most of the subjects were not covered in BAF, and CA used to with the whole coverage of everything. And I personally wanted to go inside BAF, and I wanted to study about that subject.
Okay, so then why MBA after that? How will MBA add value to whatever you bring to the table?
MBA after that was just because maybe I was till that time not sure that whether I should take finance or marketing. But I thought that if I'll go with finance, then BAF would obviously help me out after that. And MBA doing in finance, then working, that you have that effect on your resume if you write there that you have completed BAF, because that is a professional degree. So you get that higher standard. And then after that, doing an MBA also in finance would also help you out that, yes, okay, you have done BAF and now you're doing MBA in finance. So MBA was because I had probably I had no other option as well. And I also researched about doing masters in accounting and finance. But the only problem I caused was that those colleges were outside Mumbai. And at that supposed time, my mom was not allowing me to go. So I had to choose MBA. And MBA is like, you should do it once. That is the degree you should have in your life.
So because you didn't have any other choice, you did MBA, you mean to say, right?
Yeah, and MBA any which ways I had to do, and I wanted to do because I've seen my brother doing it. So when he was also studying, he also gave me a lot of things that after doing MBA you will like वो बोलते हैं ना कि you get up in your head कि after doing MBA your job is secure. Like you don't have to worry, you don't have to run, but it is not probably like that. You have to do, if you'll work more, if you'll put more stress on you, you have to do any which ways.
Dhanashri, over to you.
Yeah. So Bhairavi, I want to ask you, how important do you think the culture of an organization is?
It is important because if you're working around a good culture, you will learn new things. Your personality would change, your attitude would change, your way of speaking. You will learn a lot of things if the organization culture comes from a very good background. So I feel that organizational culture is very much important. The surroundings is very much important. If you are facing some issues, but the organization won't help you in future, then I don't think it is a good idea to work in that organization if they don't have a proper culture or they don't have a proper surrounding.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Time is up, Sally.
Yes, ma'am. Time's up.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So role reversal now.
Yeah.
Bhairavi, you ask question first. I'll ask later.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Dhanushri, I would like to ask you, if you are choosing a finance field and if you get HDFC as your SIP, then why should we hire you?
Okay. So I literally have zero knowledge about finance, first of all. I'm
Okay, then
planning
let's
for marketing.
do marketing. Okay, then let's
Yeah,
move.
if I have been hired as an intern for HDFC Bank as a marketing intern, so my I'm assuming my role will be to sell insurance policies
Yeah.
all to the customers, right? So what was the question? Can you please repeat?
Why should we hire you? Like, if you're doing a marketing intern, then why should we hire you?
First of all, I'm really good at convincing people to buy the insurance and all the policies you'll be offering to me. Then I'm really good at customer relationship management. I connect to people very easily, and add on to it is like I can maintain that relationship for a longer time so that the customer won't feel that they are left out, or it's like ऐसा लगता है लोगों को कि काम हो गया तो क्या बातचीत करना, but I keep that relationships, so I'm
Okay.
really good at it. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. And second question would be, what's marketing?
Marketing overall is everything like relating to selling, advertising, branding. In what terms we are saying it, it differs. For a branding, from a branding perspective, marketing is just about the brands, about displaying their brands, making it more visible, making it more user friendly and all. But when we look at it from another point of view, the perspective changes, and so as the definition, I'll say.
Okay, fine. You could have added that it is like, expecting or completing a need and desire of a
Bhairavi, this is an interview. Abhi tak khatam nahi hua hai.
Okay.
Yeah, so we'll do the discussion later. Whatever question you want, just ask. As of now,
Yes,
just
ma'am. Done.
like an interview. Okay. Okay. So time is up, Dhanush, Saili, or do we have some time?
50 seconds more.
Okay. So Dhanashri, tell me 3 words that your mother would use to describe you.
3 words: calm, intelligent, and beautiful.
And your father?
Father will be calm again, then aggressive a bit, and stubborn.
So why the difference? Why dad feels that you're aggressive, stubborn, and why not?
Because I go to my father for everything. It's like, I want this. In front of him, I'm like, okay, everything is nice and cool, and I just demand my father more. So he thinks I'm more stubborn and more aggressive.
Okay. Okay.
Time's up, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Saili.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, great. So we have had 3 pairs till now, right? Bhairavi and Dhanashri, Prabhamit and Rutuja, and Apurva and Sushant. Okay. Okay. Now, any kind of feedback or any kind of additional thing, any kind of things, any things that you liked the way they answered?
Ma'am, I like the way Prabhamit said that I like to stay calm in every situation. Well, I think that's the one of the most positive point to say in an interview, because an interview can judge that this person can handle any situation, any workload, and provide production in very effective manner. So I think that's the one of the great thing. And one more thing I like about this Sushant, where he said that I have one problem to take more workload. So that's also give an interviewer that he prioritize his work more often rather than. But the one point he could not have said that I sometimes don't manage my personal life. So this gives hint that he might be having problem to manage. So
Yeah.
that's.
Yeah, that is
One
one.
more thing, Sushant, Sushant said that about the month of March, that how he related the answer with the financial year, like ending year. That was very good, ma'am. I like.
Very beautiful. That was very beautiful. सब कुछ जो भी relevant है सब कुछ financial year से लेके होली से लेके how does it connect to
Yes, ma'am.
himself, like my mother's birthday also falls in March. That was very beautiful, Sushant. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
At the same time, yes, what Shivam said about this thing, ये ऐसी चीज है, like I'm not able to manage time, my personal life and all, ये weakness की तरह या उसकी तरह बोलो ही मत. ये टॉपिक छेड़ना नहीं अपने को सामने से, ताकि उस पर डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस आए. ऐसी चीजें बोलो जिसमें से तुम्हें पसंद है कि और अच्छे क्वेश्चंस अपने मैनेज कर सकते हैं. ये डिफिकल्ट, ये डायलेमा में डालेगा ना क्वेश्चंस. जो भी टॉपिक्स डायलेमा में डाल सकता है ना, उसको सामने से तो अपने को उनको देना ही नहीं है फूड फॉर थॉट. दिस इज अ डायलेमा वाला क्वेश्चन कि भाई हाँ भाई फिर तुम क्या करोगे, ओवर टाइम होगा तो. ठीक है ना? ओके. Anybody else? Any observations?
Ma'am, the way Prabmeet describes the advantage of being an introvert.
Yeah, it was also done very well. Yes, both the
Yes, ma'am.
advantage and disadvantage बहुत अच्छे से Prabmeet you explain. Even the disadvantage also was that कि कभी-कभी आपको credit नहीं मिलेगा, आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा, दिखेगा नहीं आप क्या काम करते हो. That was also done well. Yes, agree with you, Deepika. Anybody else remembers anything? Sudhanshu, कैमरा पे रहो सब लोग. सक्षम, उज्जवल कहाँ है? धर्मित was going to come in 10 minutes. धर्मित 10
Yes,
minutes हो गया. Pranali, Sudhanshu, one point that Apurva said. Remember? नहीं याद रहता तो नोटबुक में लिखो. मैं पूछने वाली हूँ questions and I need the answers.
No, ma'am. Mostly I remember the Prabmeet one.
Okay, अपूर्वा ने क्या बोला था? कुछ एक भी चीज.
Ma'am, I can't remember, ma'am.
Anuj, Pranali, Ujjwal, anything that Apurva said or Bhairavi said?
Bhairavi talked about, ma'am, her BAF and why she chose MBA.
Talked about that. True.
Yes, ma'am. And Apurva also told that different people come with different mindset. Wala point, which is also really good.
Teamwork. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
We talked about that. Yes. Okay. Anyone else? Any inputs? Any observations? Okay.
Ma'am, like Dhanashree told about her strength, like what her 3 words regarding her what mother thinks and what father thinks. These 3 words itself describes her strength and weakness. What father is thinking itself says that these are the weakness of Dhanashree, and what her mother thinks itself says that these are the strengths of Dhanashree.
Yes.
And ma'am, also Dhanashree answered very well, like why should we hire you? She also given an example that she can connect with people, and also she maintained the relation after selling the policy also, like customer relationship management. It is a great point if we are mentioning in the interview. So
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, and especially when you are choosing marketing as your role, these points were much needed to added in your interview, because yesterday I had my interview for HDFC, so that's what they also asked me about the same, and these were the main points which should be added.
Yeah, you were also adding something at that point of time. What was that?
Yeah, I was just adding that when we talk about like life insurance and everything, so when it has been asked about marketing, what's marketing, they told me yesterday that this point it should be added, that it is like you are completing a need and a desire of a customer. Like that is the main even the marketing definition, that completing a need and a desire of a customer. So that was the main point I wanted to her to add that point. So yeah, thank you.
Good point. Yeah, that's a good point. Major difference between selling and marketing. It's not that what I make I want to sell. It is what you need. I would like to offer that to you. Make and design it for you.
Ma'am.
Yes, Gaurav.
Ma'am, I want to ask one thing. Sushant ने जो आंसर किया मार्च वाला, that was really good. He actually March ko saath he associated finance. My point is that this is on the track on the line, right?
This is
Let's say if this is on the track and on the line with the profile that he has chosen for. So let's say I want to, let's say I want to go take a different approach by saying some quotes, let's say by Wordsworth, by Keats, anyone else, on Spring and something else. And let's say I try to go on a different track. So will that be good? Is it a good decision to go on a different track and bamboozle the interviewer, or rather than staying on the track, showing that yes, you can connect with your knowledges and inputs?
you can go see, this is an abstract question with which you can think of anything. Okay, so it could be, you can look at March as that kind of a season, the season that we observe in our country or whatever, and you go on that track also, which is fine because this is an abstract question. So there is no one right answer for this question. So you can go there as long as it connects to the idea. It's not something which is weird. So what
Okay,
you're
ma'am.
talking about the seasons, right? That if I go on that track,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
that's fair enough, which is fair enough. What March signify to you? As a month, as a season that is observed in March. That is also a good way of answering.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. In that scenario, it would have, मतलब, Sushant ने जो बोला, the interviewer would have been impressed by his knowledge, by his skills, that he related March to the Q4 ending. Then again, if I would have said that, let's say by quoting a line by Keats or Wordsworth, then it would have been bamboozled the interview. So, does that actually helps in an interview? Since
It just shows at what approach you took. You took a kind of a creative approach to look at it. Sushant looked at a approach which kind of is a very day-to-day things. Whatever we observe in our day-to-day life, he connected all of those. And
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We
quote,
understood, ma'am.
you can quote the poet, which is also fine, good enough. I don't see any reason that both the answers have like, if there's any one is good and one is bad. No, both are, I think, effective.
Understood, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay. Who else?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, me.
Deepika?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, also me.
Ma'am, me too.
Virendra, na? So Deepika and Shivam will take first, and then next round we will take you. So Deepika and Shivam, right? Shivam, you
Ma'am.
are the interviewee first.
Okay.
Deepika will be interviewer, and then vice versa. Okay. First, my question to you, Shivam. Okay. Can you recall an incident in your life wherein you literally kind of you faced a failure, like it was a failure in your life, and you turned that failure into a success, or something that you learned about that failure which kind of helped you to improve your quality of life?
Yeah. So, ma'am, I would like to share one incident when I was working in corporate. So the organization name was LinkedIn Times. Internationally, it was known as LinkedIn Group. So I was their senior associate working over there. I used to take training from onshore team and deliver to the offshore team. So I've done the same thing. I've taken training from onshore team and delivered to the offshore team. And I thought that the people in my team have gained the knowledge completely. I thought they know everything what I thought. And I was cross-questioned to them many of time, and I felt like they were very good at what I taught them. Okay. So I've directly asked them to start processing the cases. I've allocated them 20 cases, and the most of the employees, the most of the team members have processed those cases wrong, and we got an error from there. So that was the incident, but fortunately those errors were in my under. So I was auditing those cases, and I asked them to redo those cases. So that was failure for me as a trainer, that I haven't taken the dummy cases as a test to them. So that was my failure. And I got to know that whenever you thought something to someone, you should always take that test.
Okay, beautiful. Okay.
Yeah.
Your question? Unmute yourself.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Shivam, how do you feel about working in the night as well as on weekends?
Sorry, I beg your pardon.
How do you feel about working in the night shifts as well as on weekends?
Well, working on weekends, frankly speaking, it's totally depend on the volume which we got to work. And working at night, well, I feel like working at night for me, it's very productive. It's very peace at night, and you got no one to disturb you. So yeah. So I think working in night is very good, and working in weekend is depends on company's business, its volume, but I will be always available.
Okay.
Thank you, Shivam.
Okay, time is up. Sally told us. Okay, now we'll do the role reversal. And audience, please pay attention because I'm going to ask questions and don't tell me कि ये इतना याद नहीं रहता and all that. I'm just doing it after 3 pairs. Only 6 people's interviews. We are doing the discussion. तो इतना तो याद रह सकता है. Okay, Shivam, your question first to Deepika.
So Deepika, what you gonna take, marketing or finance?
Finance.
So say for an example, you're working as an associate or as a processor in the team, and you're working under the management. The realistic target is to process 10 cases in a day, but your management asks you to process 25 cases. As a processor, it's not possible for you to process 25 cases in 8 hours. What would you do?
First of all, in this situation, normally what happen is we usually panic. So the first thing I need to manage is I should not panic in either way. Usually I do 10 cases in 8 hours, and if I am supposed to do 25, then it is not a way possible, but I'm not saying that it is impossible. I will try my level best to do at least not 25, but at least 5 to 6 or 10 cases in same hours.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Deepika, what advice will you give to a Westerner who wants to come and work in India?
Can you repeat, please?
Yeah, I'm saying what advice you would give. You can hear me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What advice you would give to a Westerner,
Okay.
foreigner, somebody who is not an
Mhm.
Indian, a non-Indian,
Mhm.
especially from the West, okay? Who wants to come and work in India? What advice would you give to them? What are the 3 main pieces of advice?
So, yes, first of all, if I say about the foreign people, they are more inclined towards the culture of India. As of now, as we see that the people are inclined towards the Bhagavad Gita and
I'm
all
saying
of these.
3 people who want to, coming from the West, wants to work in India.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
3 things that
Yes.
you would advise.
Ma'am, they can be either positive or negative, na? Yes. So, first of all, actually, I also want to go outside to work, and there are many positive things, but still, working. If I say about working, then I will go in the favor of in the favor of suggesting him that not to come to work in India. First of all,
ऐसे भगा ही दोगे?
first of all, the pay scale that he or she will get in India is lesser what they are expecting. And the second one is working hours. Working hours, here there is a strict schedule of working hours, and in Western side what we usually see is they don't have any strict schedule. They are only asked to work, not to bind themselves in the strict schedules. And third one is pay scales. Only two.
Something that they can take care so that they can work properly here. क्या चीज का ध्यान रख सकते हैं?
यहाँ पे
Sally, time is up. Do we have something?
No, ma'am, time's up.
Time is up. Okay, fair enough. Deepika and Shivam, thank you. We'll discuss. Do remind me. Audience का काम है points remind करना. Okay. Virender, Pratik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You also not done the interview. Virender and Pratik.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Pratik, you will be the interviewee first.
Okay.
Okay. So Pratik, tell me. Who is a role model?
A role model for me. Role model for me is my father. Like how he struggled. We were not having anything in the past, and then how he grows. How we grown up and all that. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So what is your which city you grew up in?
I'm Chandrapur, ma'am. Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. So tell us a bit about Chandrapur.
Okay, Chandrapur, which is also known as Black Diamond City, because here is the large amount of coal mines, and here you can consider the hottest city in India also. This is the hottest city, and it has a world's Asia's second number power plant, which circulate electricity all over the Maharashtra. And it has the biggest and the historic temple, that is Mahakali temple. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Virender, your turn. Virender went on phone.
Ma'am, sorry, it was a call from a faculty, so that's why. Sorry, extremely sorry.
Yeah. So your.
So Pratik, as I can see in your CV, you have mentioned that earlier you were an commerce student, and then you moved towards science, and now you are doing an MBA. Can you please explain it? Like, what motivated or what was the reason for moving to commerce?
Yeah, I was earlier till the 10th. I was interested in robotics and the electrical things. Like I wanted to pursue being an automobile engineer and everything. And then after 10th, I studied about the finances and everything. Then my mother was like, you have interest in engineering, and why don't you pursue science? But I wanted to pursue commerce. Then she gave me an idea that after 12th you can choose choose your whatever field you want. Then after that I just came into this commerce field.
What do you like about the commerce?
I like about the commerce field is that the money, mostly money. calculations.
Time's up.
Okay. Okay. So now the role reversal. Virender, Pratik, your question first to Virender.
My question, okay. My question is, what can you offer us that any like other candidates cannot offer?
So basically, the role that has been offered, it is an sales executive. So previously, I was working with SDFC, and I have a work ex of 1.5 year. And over there, I was into a finance sales. Like I was dealing with the sale of finance product like insurance, mutual funds, SIPs, and deposit. So I have a little bit of experience in this. I have also a customer database which can help us to which will help us further for converting the client, and yes, that's it.
How was your experience?
Okay, so basically, I joined HDFC, and over there, I used to I worked in the sales. Like I was a, I was a person who was not much into a sales. Like during my graduation, I decided not to go in sales, but over the period of time, I landed in HGFC, and then I enjoyed sales. Like I loved interacting with the people, and that's why it motivated me to be in sales. And if I say about my work ex, yes, I have a total work experience of 33 months, and yes, that's it.
Thank you.
Okay. So Virender, you have work experience of 33 months, you said.
Yes, ma'am.
So 10 years down the line, where do you see yourself? 10 years.
Ma'am, I just wanted to be in a middle level management. I will not seem in the top level management. I just have to work and be in middle level management. Like 10 years down the line, I just wanted to see my family happy. I am giving the time to my family and to my work, and that's it, ma'am. It's not.
What do you mean by middle management? So what kind
Sorry?
of what do you mean by middle management? So what kind of profile you're looking at?
Ma'am, I'm looking for a profile in finance, like it can be an investment banking and or portfolio management, and gradually I want to start in that profile and then gradually move ahead in that profile.
Okay.
Typically in finance domain, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Thank you, Saili. Fine.
Thank
So
you,
we
ma'am.
have done both Virender and Pratik, right? Okay. So how many people were finished? Deepika, Shivam, Virender, Pratik. We need one more pair. Who else? Not done yet. Sudhanshu?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You can participate, right?
I've done now. I've already done.
You done?
Yes, ma'am. With Dharmit.
With Dharmit. Okay. 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 Fair enough. Who else? Anuj? Done?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Pallav also done, na? Aditya, Sushant, Apurba, Saili done, Nisha done, Gaurav done, Prabmeet, Rutuja, Bhairavi, Dhanashri, Akriti also done. Astha, you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Saksham done. Pranali and Ujjwal. Where are you? Pranali and Ujjwal, please. Can you can you participate? Himanshu. Himanshu. Then Megha. Jishan. Okay, till the people come in. Whatever we have done, 4 interviews. Give me a little feedback, audience.
On the advice to the foreigners, personally, I would advise them to we look out on the cultural differences. Like some like Westerners might see swastika and they might adapt or think something else because our culture and their cultures are different. So they need to look for into the differences and not think that it's quite different or what is it. So
Being
please be on.
sensitive. Yeah, being
Yeah,
sensitive.
be sensitive and be open-minded mostly, ma'am.
Open minded से भी पहले aware होना पड़ेगा ना. So you need to
One more thing on the fun side, I'd never underestimate or hit any cow on the road.
नो ऐसा कुछ मत बोलो इंटरव्यू में. बिल्कुल नहीं. ऐसा कुछ जो पॉलिटिकल एंगल या जो भी होता है उसको कभी मत बोलो पल्लव. ओके अपने आप ठीक है.
This points comes in the my point. Now please be aware of the culture surrounding you.
हाँ वो उस तरीके से बोलो. Be aware, first of all, read and explore and understand. And it goes for us also. When we go to some other country and we want to work there, definitely we want to read about them and know about them कि यहाँ पे क्या अच्छा माना जाता है, क्या गलत माना जाता है. And being sensitive after that about it. You be sensitive, but before sensitive पता होना चाहिए ना. आधे टाइम लोगों को पता ही नहीं होता, इसीलिए कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाती है. They don't know. Nobody wants to offend anybody. वो बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जो सामने से किसी को offend करना चाहते हैं. गलती में ही हो जाता है ना कि पता ही नहीं है. So you will have to take an extra step to read about it, to know, to become aware of the cultural differences and be with open mind, take them and be sensitive towards them. You may not agree with things that others do. That doesn't mean that you can't respect them. Respect them still. That would be one point. Yes.
Ma'am, I want to add to Shudhanshu's point that the foreigner should be aware of the work environment, the work ethics, the quality of work they actually want from the company. Along with that, the cultural differences and the language with climate.
Language, yes.
Along with that, climate.
Yes, climate. That because India from north to south, east to west, there is so much of variations in climate. So where specifically that person is posted at, study about the climate and try to kind of figure out a way to be a part of that environment because they'll have to stay in that climate and weather. Yes, language could be another thing.
What I believe that Deepika should have answered the question in a way that promotes work culture over here.
Yes.
And also one more thing, the way that Shivam answered the question that was asked by Deepika regarding the working in night and working on weekdays, I think he answered it very smartly and cleverly. That he showed that that the working on weekend it basically depends on the volume. And he also said that he's comfortable in working in night, which shows how flexible he can be regarding the work. Also, in the conclusion, he also said that whatever it is, he'll be available.
He will be
which shows that if a situation arises, he'll be there for the company.
Yeah, that was very well done. Nicely observed, Prabhamit. I was also going to talk about that. And Shivam answered that very well. That yes, it depends on the volume. Weekend, of course, you don't go and say that I love to work on weekend or every time. So you say, okay, it depends on the volume, and if required, I will be available. Okay, and about the night shift also. Yes. And yes, Deepika, अपने को उनको भगा नहीं देना है. पहले से ही मना कर दिया. माता. Don't come. Nice. So whatever it is, whatever our beliefs about anything is, हर चीज में positives होते हैं. Our working in India has its own benefits. उसके अपने advantages, benefits हमेशा रहेंगे. So उसको highlight करना है अपन को. What are the 3 things you take care of? So जैसे अभी हमने बोला ना, एक तो being sensitive to culture, cultural differences, okay, being sensitive to language. So maybe pick up a language which is preferred in that area where he or she is going to be posted. So वो थोड़ा सा उसमें lessons ले ले वो लैंग्वेज लर्न करने में. तो इट विल बी, ऐसा नहीं बोलना है कि भाई वहाँ इंडिया में हिंदी या नहीं आएगा तो तुम्हें कोई बात नहीं करेगा, नहीं. इट विल हेल्प यू. एक एडवाइस क्या दूंगी मैं किसी फॉरेनर को, क्या आप यू, बिकॉज इफ यू आर गोइंग टू बी पोस्टेड इन दिल्ली, तो आप हिंदी लर्न करना शुरू कर दो. आपको, आपके लिए बहुत आसान हो जाएगा कम्युनिकेशन करना. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपके साथ लोग बात नहीं करेंगे, आप इंग्लिश में बात करोगे तो करेंगे. ये पॉइंट भी आप ऐड कर सकते हो थोड़ा इंडिया को अच्छे से हाईलाइट करने के लिए. That in India, most of the times, if you will speak in English, it will definitely not be a bad thing for you. People will respond and people will understand, because mostly Indians understand English. However, you can start taking lessons in Hindi from now, so that when you reach India, you can also talk in Hindi. That will be an added advantage for you. ऐसे करके बोल सकते हैं ना. और वहां पे भी हम हाईलाइट करेंगे कि नहीं, इंडिया में अगर आपको इंग्लिश आती है, आपको नहीं आती हिंदी, कुछ भी भाषा, तो भी आपका काम होगा.
Yes, ma'am.
We are that responsive. We do respect and we do accept. तो वो बात भी सब आ जाएगी सामने. तो एक लैंग्वेज का एंगल है, एक कल्चर का एंगल है, कल्चरल डिफरेंसेस का. क्लाइमेट जैसे इन्होंने बोला, आकृति said, right?
Yes,
That will be a very another interesting thing, क्योंकि इंडिया में सब चारों तरफ अलग अलग वेदर है, क्लाइमेट है. So just knowing a little bit about the climate of that place will help you to arrange what kind of clothes and all you will carry with yourself, or what kind of precautions you need to take care of. You will know about them better. है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So वो एक क्वेश्चन अच्छे से ध्यान करो कि हमेशा कोई भी टाइप का क्वेश्चन ऐसा भी आता है, पॉजिटिव लाइन पे ही जाओ. बेनिफिट्स पूछा है तो बेनिफिट्स ही बोलो, पर डायरेक्ट मना मत करो किसी को. ठीक है. या एनीथिंग एल्स एनीबॉडी रिमेंबर्स?
Ma'am, as Virender said, that in that 5 years answer, that I need to see my family happy. Is it okay to say that, or we have to answer it something in our way, or something oriented in a very specific manner?
Both angle, personal, family and your professional, दोनों angle आना चाहिए. Where do you see after 10 years down the line? Definitely isn't as an individual, and your personal life is an important part of your life. So of course you can mention about it, and you can say that I want to see me and my family happy, achieving success in terms of professional career also, like he talked about getting into middle management mein he also talked about, when I asked him, he talked about like portfolio management and all. I would like to grow on that ladder. Along with that, एक एंगल हमेशा आप ग्रोथ में 5 years 10 years में डालो is that initially I would like to really focus on learning the tricks and trades of the market and the industry, but over time I would want to start managing teams. I would start with managing smaller teams, and then for 10 years down the line I see myself at a middle level management position where maybe I am handling several teams and maybe heading a geographical area for a multinational company. So geographical area मतलब आपके अंदर में काफी सारा teams है. So in growing in terms of the teams that you manage, एक individual level पे काम करना एक चीज है, but teams manage करना shows the seniority. So we'll have something like that, or maybe handling the Mumbai region for one of the FMCG companies, something like that. So वो career में आ जाएगा, but personal life also definitely. In my personal life, I would like to see myself in a state where my family is happy, I am happy, and it's a well balanced life that I am leading. That is my dream. Okay. ठीक है. Fine. Anything else anybody remembers or wants to
Ma'am,
ask?
there is one question that was asked to, I guess, Shivam. It was about how do you feel working in night? And ma'am, he answered that quite wonderfully. That I'll say, he said that night is more calm, and hence he is more productive at that time. So normally people do not answer this way. They say ki okay, I'll work hard and I'll work nicely at night. But he used that calm feature of night and also added that he's more productive. So that was quite nice.
That was quite nice, and that can also be used even when you say that I prefer to work in the day shift.
Yeah.
However, I totally understand that, that at times you're required to work in night shift, and it has its own advantage, which so Shivam talked about. You can talk about that. That yes, it's
Yes, ma'am.
calm and quiet in the night, and so can concentrate better. It
Yes,
has its
ma'am.
own advantages. Yeah. Okay. Anything else anybody remembers? No, right? Okay. Akhil?
Now, one more thing, that why should we hire you? I think Pratik asked to Virendra. So how should we answer that, ma'am?
Why should we hire you? Yeah. So why should we hire you is a very specific question related to, even you need to connect it with the post. Okay. So जो भी role के लिए आपने apply किया है, that also has to be kept in mind while answering that question. So why should I hire you? So how do you match to that role? What are the qualities that you have? It will depend on that. So if it is a research analyst role, then what will you talk about? Research analyst come a dealer, maybe. So you're going to do some research as well as talk to clients also. So वो role में क्या चाहिए कि एक तो आपका data and analytical skills should be very good, and you should have good researching skills. So I have that researching and analytical skills, and I have developed them over a period of time. Like since I came to know about the stock market, and I'm talking about the stock market ka research analyst role. So since I came to know about the stock market dynamics, I have been reading up and following up, and I've been really interested in these topics, and so I have gathered good understanding knowledge, and I do a lot of research and analysis, and most of the times, like 75-80% of the times, I have been very much I have been right in all my analysis and all, and my predictions that I have made. So that is why I think I'm a very good match for this role. At the same time, this role also requires talking or interacting with clients and customers, and I have good communication skills, and I have really throughout my MBA and all, I have been working on my presentation skills and communication skills, and I have really developed very good people management and presentation skills, and I'm sure these skills are going to help me do justice to this role in a very good way. Okay. So ये दोनों चीजें यहाँ पे मैच होगी because ये profile ऐसा है. If it's just research and analysis, it's only research and analysis, data crunching, all those skills will be focused on. It is just marketing role, marketing and customer facing role. So it's your communication, creativity, problem solving, all that will come into place. So what are your skills that match to the role? You'll answer accordingly. It will be very role specific. So that is why I'm telling you, all of you, जब भी आप ये सवाल पूछते हो किसी को, तो पहले role define करो. पहले better to ask the candidate, okay, Rutuja, what is your preferred role? So she will say marketing analyst. So then to assume that it's a marketing analyst position, and then ask them this role. Okay, so that's a very subjective question. Depends on what is the role that you are appearing for. Pallav. Okay. Okay. Anybody else? Anything? Any question or any observations? And who is left now? Akhil.
मैम मेरा हो गया है।
हो गया है? गीतांश? Gitansh,
Yes, ma'am.
have you done your peer interview? No.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, Gitansh, and who else? Please nominate yourself.
Yes, ma'am, I'm left.
Kinnari.
Yes.
Okay, Kinnari and Gitansh. Okay. We'll
Yes.
take your peer interview before we go for break. Okay. Kinnari, you will be the interviewee first, and Gitansh, you will be the interviewer.
Okay.
Okay. So, Kinnari, tell me what is the impact of the environmental concerns and the entire green revolution, green as in environment friendly. How has that impacted businesses in general?
Ma'am, I would like to say that it is very important, and today's business are doing very great things about going green. In fact, every brands that you see that are some or the other way trying to be natural and stuff, because it really reflects that they are doing something good for the environment too. So that is why every brand is focusing more on going green. And
Some examples.
like ma'am, I want to give an example of H&M. They are also recycling their clothes, and in fact, many brands like Mama Earth, H&M, and lot of brands are doing good just because it's good for environment, and that will attract customers also in a very good way that they are doing something for environment too.
Okay. Gitansh, your question?
Yes, ma'am.
Question to Kinnari?
Ma'am, my question to Kinnari is, what will she do when her colleagues are in a fight and she has to end that conflict and come to a solution?
Yes, so I'll first of all understand that what are the basic things that they are into conflicts with each other. I'll identify what the problems they are facing with each other, and then I'll explain them about the discipline that you need to have in a corporate world, and I'll motivate them to I'll work on my best things to motivate them so that they can avoid conflicts and maintain discipline, because we are in a corporate world. So I'll try to do that.
Okay. Gitansh, any further question?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. How much time do we have, Saili?
15 seconds.
Fine. So, okay, role reversal now. Gitansh, you are the interviewee now. Kinnari, your question first.
Okay, ma'am. So my question to you is, what has been your biggest failure till now, and how have you handled that?
Ma'am, I can say that my biggest failure was I was very scared to talk to people before, and I don't even ask for something to take. Also, if I have to take a pen also from someone, I was not able to ask for that also. So I have improved that in a very long time, and now I have improved from that, and I'm not an introvert anymore. So that was a failure which I have turned into a good thing now.
Okay. Gitansh, what is the importance of doing master's course? Is graduation not enough?
Ma'am, I think to do a specialization in something makes a person more good in that field, and he can do more things. And the company also sees you in a good manner if you have 2 degrees and a master's in that, so that you can get your future into a good direction.
because I think everyone does a normal bachelor, so masters make a difference if we add it to.
Okay, but is it like necessary, or like education wise, is it necessary?
No, I've seen examples. My friends who have only done bachelors, they are earning a very good package. So if they have a good knowledge, so it can also work. So it's not necessary that we have to do 2 degrees only to earn a good future.
Okay, Saili, how much time?
Ma'am, a minute more.
A minute more. Okay, wow. Okay, so Gitansh, which month you were born in? Tell us about your month of.
Ma'am, I was born in April.
Okay, tell us about April.
Ma'am. April is in my city it is very hot, so actually I don't like hot weather, but it's okay.
Okay, but a little bit more about April.
I don't know much.
Okay, okay. Which season do you like the most, Gitansh, and why?
Ma'am, I like cold weather, so I like winter season.
Little bit more.
Because
What are your hobbies? Okay, because you were saying.
Ma'am, because actually I like nature places a lot, and I like to go to hill stations, and for chill weathers, I go a lot of times to hill stations in winters. And in hot, it's very humid, so I don't like it.
Okay, fair enough. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any inputs for Kinnari and Gitansh interview? Audience, anyone? Anything that you remember?
Ma'am, if Gitansh had connected April as the starting of the financial year, the way the Sushant ended March, stated March as the end of the financial year, then he could have answered that April is the starting of the financial year.
Yeah, that is a good point. That you can always talk about April that way, that April is the start of the financial year.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
We could also added the starting of the spring season.
Yes, that.
Ma'am, we can also add one more thing that that in that year the National Panchayati Raj Day came, like political ideas, that 23rd April 1993 को National Panchayati Raj Day celebrate किया जाता 23rd April को.
अगर वो उनको याद है तो बोल सकते हैं, but yes, it's something not everybody will remember ना. अगर याद है तो बोल सकते हो आप, है ना? Because वो year specific हो जाता है और celebrate होता है. Yes. Something like like Holi always falls in March is very very obvious. सबको ही पता होगा. Okay, but something like this, Akriti, may not know. अगर याद है, definitely you can talk. Like August होगा तो 15th August आएगा ही, January होगा तो 26th January आएगा ही आएगा, November October होगा तो दिवाली नवरात्रि ये सब आएगा ही आएगा, December होगा तो Christmas आएगा ही, New Year आएगा ही. And so these are the things. This festival वाला तो आएगा ही. August is one where you can say a lot of festivals are there in August. So that is thing. So उस angle से connect कर सकते हो. Okay. Good point, Akriti, but I would just say that everybody may not know that. Okay, anybody else?
I'm April Fool fact.
April Fool, fun related thing that you can talk about. Yes, April is a month which first is celebrated as April Fool Day. Okay. Right, so I think yes, we have completed or 14 groups, meaning 14 pairs, meaning 28 people already we have done. Okay, just check your name. If you have done the peer interview, your name should be there in the peer interview forum. If not there, then just let me know. Okay, we'll continue with that further and see, and also a little bit more about something else, so I'll talk about it in the next session. Okay, we meet at 3:30. Okay, bye.